Beautiful day out here, and I say, you know what? I want to, come outside and, just be in the sun and get some, get some vitamin C. And I want to talk about in today's video what I would actually do different if I was sitting where you might be sitting right now, at the beginning, trying to figure out how to do this all make money online because you want to build something. You either, want to come home, maybe you are, in school right now. You want to, do something different. So I'm going to talk about that today. I got a different flavor, y'all. This is Breeze Berry. We're gonna see how this is my first time having this one, so we're gonna see how this goes. And so you may hear some cars go by, you may not, maybe depending on how strong my mic is. But yeah, we're gonna let's talk. I'm gonna have a raw conversation. It's even an epiphany moment that I had today. Uh, my mentor, she opened up a community, and she was telling me to join the community, and it was something in her voice note that she said, and I had to step back and say, Sharita, you gotta, you know, you gotta do something different. So I'm always up for a challenge. I don't never think that I'm doing all things right, but it's all a learning process, right? So we're gonna talk about that in today's video. Here's something I don't always say out loud, but I'm saying it today. I have been all over the place. And I don't mean that as a criticism to myself or about myself. But everything I've always done has taught me something. I don't regret any of it. But if I'm being completely honest, I have tried to do too much at one time. Speaking, coaching, publishing, digital products, affiliate marketing, Pinterest, blogging, multiple brands, multiple income streams, multiple directions at once. Here's what I realized. I know I'm not alone. That's why I don't criticize myself. I see women doing this every single day. Like trying to build five things at once and wondering why none of them are really taking off, or trying to income stack before they even have one solid stream, jumping from idea to idea because everything online looks like an opportunity. I get it. Don't nobody get it? I do. I really do. Because when you're trying to build something and money is the goal, and you see all of these different ways to make it, you want to do them all right now at the same time because it's going to work. It doesn't. It's actually a trap. It cost me time, like real time, years of slow progress that I needed to have. And I want to save you so much time, money, and energy. And I hope that I do that in this video. That's the whole goal, to help you to save more money, time, and energy, because so that you don't feel like you gotta jump from thing to thing to thing. So if I was starting over today, completely from scratch, the very first thing I would do is pick one income stream and run with it like my life depended on it. Just one. And stack others later. And I'm not talking about two streams, three streams. I'm talking about one. And the one I would choose without hesitation for me, affiliate marketing. Yep. Here's why I like affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product. You don't need to do customer service. You don't need to have a big following to start. You find something you genuinely believe in, you share it, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. That's it. That's the whole model. And that's what I'm completely making sure that I'm shifting to. I always done affiliate marketing. Okay. And when I personally think about the 2014 Sharita just getting started, figuring things out, trying to build something from nothing, affiliate marketing would have been the fastest, oops, and the cleanest path because I wouldn't have needed to build anything from scratch. I just needed to find the right thing to believe in and share it consistently. One stream, one, all the way in. And that's what I would do. Okay. And that's what I wish I had done. But it's also where I can pivot to doing. It's where I can pivot to doing. I can change that, right? I have the ability. I have the what's the word? I have the ability to do it, and I have the freedom to do it. Okay, so I have the luxury of being able to do that, and I'm going to take advantage of that. Yeah, affiliate marketing. Too many people sleep on it, and I think it's because naturally we're creators. I'm a creator too, right? But there's nothing wrong with being a creator. But if you are just getting started and you want to make money online like everybody else, yeah, affiliate marketing is where I should have just because I'm not talking to you as if I don't know affiliate marketing. I do. I've been doing it. Okay. But you just wish you would have done something different. But that's why I'm doing this video because I'm just trying to help you to save yourself time and money, and that way you can pick up what I'm putting down, so that you can have a business that you love too. Now, let's talk about something that goes hand in hand with this too, and that's clarity. Because the reason most women are all over the place is not because of being lazy or being unfocused. Well, unfocused is one of them. It's not having that clarity. Like clarity is the thing that most online business content skips right over. Everybody wants to talk about strategy and funnels and content calendars, and if you don't know what you're building and who you're building for and what income stream you're actually going that's going to get you there, all of the strategy in the world is just noise. Okay, when I finally got clear, I mean, really clear on what I was doing and why, everything shifted. My content got sharper. I got monetized. My energy stopped being split in 10 different directions. I started making real progress instead of just like being busy. To me, busy is not the same as building. I had to learn that the hard way. So you don't have to, okay? Just because you busy. I've seen it. Being busy, 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 busy bees. And nothing is happening. Okay. So I want to get a little bit more specific too for you about why affiliate marketing is what I would choose if I was starting over, and why it actually is what I'm focused on right now. I've been building online again since 2014. I have done a lot of things, and I'm telling you, affiliate marketing done right is one of the cleanest income models there is, especially when you are promoting something that you actually use, you actually believe in, and can actually speak from a real place. Okay, that's the key. You can't just throw links out there and hope someone buys. You have to genuinely care about what you're sharing. Your audience can feel, you can feel the difference between someone who is pushing a product and someone who is sharing something they really truly believe in. That's me right now. Okay, that's the thing that I've been talking about in all of my videos is Bossuite. That's my main focus. That's where my affiliate energy is going. Like, because since building online, I genuinely wish something like Boss Suite had existed from day one. I would be, I would be, yeah, I would be, I don't know. I can't find the word. I would be a bad mama jamma online if Boss Suite existed when I was online. I personally love it because it does give women everything they need to start making money online without overwhelm, without confusion, without having to like piece things together with 10 different courses, 10 different people, and you still don't know what to do next. Okay. I am an affiliate for Bossuite. I believe in it. I'm plugged in, right? And it's not because somebody asked me to promote it. Okay. I wasn't paid to promote it. I invested my money to be there. It genuinely is, it works for women like me. Okay. It works for the women that's wondering where to start. Start right there. It just gives, I haven't even gone into the different income streams that it gives, but it gives so many different income streams, like 20 different income streams. So when I say start with a stream, you can pick which one you want to start, where to go. But I'm still gonna continue my video. So okay, let me paint a picture for you right quick. So, and I'm gonna tell you what this looks like in practice. Okay. I think I think a lot of women here pick one thing and they nod their head and then they go right back to doing the five things. I know because that was me. Uh-huh. Real focus looks like every piece of content that you create points back to that one thing. Like every single video, every post, every email, your whole online presence is moving in that one direction. Let me get in the car. So I'm in the car right now, but I really want to speak directly to somebody right now, like the woman who has 17 tabs open, who has 3.5 finished courses on her computer, who started and stopped and so many things, and she can't remember what you can't remember what you're building. Okay, I see you. I was you. I have been you. Okay, and I want you to know that it's not too late to simplify. Like, you don't have to burn everything down from the ground and start from zero. You just need to pick one thing that makes the most sense right now and put everything else just on pause, because that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, it's not forever, right? It's just right now until that one thing actually works, until you have that momentum, the results, and then and only then you start the next layer. Okay, and I talk about income stacking all the time. It's real, it's beautiful, but you have to have something solid to stack on top of. You need a foundation, and you can't build a foundation when you're spreading yourself so thin across 10 different things. Okay, pick one thing, go deep, let it work. That's the move that we on right now. Us soft life girls, this is the move. We gonna have a solid foundation, something to build from, one income stream. I'm going to employ you to do one platform too. Okay, I'm challenging you. I'm challenging myself as well, because I realized that I was, your girl was starting to feel a sense of burnout, and I had to, okay, slow down, bring it back, and really lean in. If you are like starting over today, and even if you're not starting over, but you're ready to stop like spinning your wheels and really start building something, the answer is just to simplify. Okay, pick one income stream. I want you to learn it. I want you to live it. I want you to share it consistently. Okay, and let it actually work before you add something else. For me, right now, that's affiliate marketing, specifically Bossuite. Okay, the link is in the description. It's right here, mysoftlightbiz.com. I want you to go there, take a look what's inside, see if it's a right fit for you where you are, and of course, I'm gonna be right there with you. Okay. Again, I'm an affiliate marketer. You don't necessarily have to get into Boss Suite and be an affiliate marketer. There's all different ways that you can make income. You like UGC, you like creating content for brands. If you like letter writing, if you want to be a virtual assistant, Pick the one thing, okay? And I just wish Bossuite was here when I was started, but it's here. And they're always constantly growing. I love plugging into a community where I can learn and I can be and I can, and I can help other women as well. What I really want more than anything is more women to be at home with their kids, homeschooling if they want to. More women, I want more women building a soft life CEO business. Okay? I want that for everything, for more women to be at home, to live in life, have a life of freedom. I have an amazing life of freedom. And the reason why I get to do this is because I make money online. Okay? Now, I'm again, like I said earlier, I'm getting ready to simplifying this for myself. And I love what I've been able to tap into. I'm just here to share with more women. And until I have a goal that I want to, by the end of this year, I'm shaking it. By the end of this year, I want to be able to help more than 1,000 women get into Bossuite, to learn about Bossuite. Until then, I can't continue to move on to other things. Okay, I can't continue to, especially on my YouTube, to promote a whole lot of other things that I'm doing. Okay, yeah, I'm just being honest with myself. Okay, so that's the goal. I'm gonna sit down with my definite number, but I know it's over 1,000. Okay, I really want to help more women to win online, and Boss Suite is where it's at. It's where you need to learn everything you need to learn. Whether you want to go faceless, whether you want to do AI, whether you want to be a virtual assistant, do UGC, whether it's Amazon, you want to be an Amazon creator. It's all that. Whether you want to write books, it's in there. It's in there. And also, I didn't mention this. I'm gonna mention this. I know a part of Boss Suite. I talk about writing books. I'm not stopped doing that. Okay, I'm not stopping doing that. That's the quiet. That's that quiet income right there. Um, but with Boss Suite, you do learn KDP. But what I've been seeing, I haven't dived into the module yet. But what I've been seeing, a lot of women learning how to do coloring books, and I'm loving it. Okay. Now, as a part of you joining me I'm an affiliate, you join with my link. I'm gonna give you access to my mini her book starter kit. Okay, so if you want to learn how to write short books for a living, nonfiction short books, the starter kit is, you'll get that, and you'll also get access to my Telegram community as well. I'm building a community of other women who are in Boss Suite, and just a way for me to be able to coach you, to lean more into where we can, all learn together and have that community. So I'm going to include that too. Okay, just to let you know that. But I want you to take care of yourself. Again, all the link is in the description. Put your name and email address in. You'll learn about it. I show you the inside. I'll be very transparent. And yeah, I just want all of us home, having a life of freedom, being out and about, making content like I'm doing now, okay, and just living life. Okay, I want that for more women. All right, and I'm here to help. I'll see you in the next video, girl. Talk to you soon.